Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to stop automatic updates here in Windows 11. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go ahead over to your search bar right here, type in services. Okay. Once this one pops up, just go ahead and click on it. Wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, just go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find the service called Windows Update, which is right here. Okay. Click on it, and once done, right click, then click on Properties. Now, in this tab, under General, make sure that the startup type is set to Disabled. Okay. Once done, just hit on Apply. And once that's done, go ahead and go to the top, go to Recovery, and then the first failure, make sure that it is set to Take No Action. Okay. Once done, again, hit on Apply. And after that, go back to General. Now in here, if the status is still running, you can go ahead and click on Stop. Then once done, hit on Apply, hit on OK. Now go ahead and restart your computer. And after that, you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.